What is the best sharpness setting to use in your GoPro? You have 3 options: low sharpness, medium and high. So let's see what the difference between those 3 is. I'm shooting this on the GoPro Hero 9 Black in 1080p 25 fps at the linear field of view. And this is what the high sharpness setting looks like. To me it looks like an over-sharpened image. So let's switch to medium. You can already see here that it looks a bit less like that over-sharpened smartphone look, so that's nice. And of course, sharpness in cameras is personal preference, because I prefer most of the time having a low sharpness, because sharpness doesn't add any detail. So let's switch to the low sharpness. And here you can see what the actual detail is that the GoPro captures, which isn't that much, and the image almost looks out of focus compared to the other images. But I do like the natural look, so let's put them side by side for a comparison. So here's a sharpness comparison in 1080p, but I also noticed when I switched to 5K, the sharpness difference became a lot less noticeable compared to 1080p. But when we zoom in into the 1080p footage, you can definitely see the difference of the sharpness better. I definitely prefer the medium and low sharpness over the high, but now let's switch to 5K footage. It's in 25 fps linear mode, sharpness is low. In my opinion, having no sharpness can give a cinematic look. Sometimes it feels like the sharpness is too little, but now let's switch to the medium sharpness in 5K. And I like the sharpness look in 5K a lot more compared to the 1080p. The 1080p looks like an over-sharpened image, but the 5K has a much better sharpness to it, of course because of the resolution, so it captures more detail. So let's switch to the high sharpness. I think it's a little bit too much, but definitely a lot better than the high sharpness in 1080p. The high sharpness in 1080p looks terrible in my opinion, but this still looks good. Now we are back in 1080p, low sharpness. And this is what medium sharpness looks like. And then last up, high sharpness. And this is high sharpness in 5K. Definitely a big difference. 5K medium sharpness. And low sharpness in 5K. Now I have the low sharpness 1080p and 5K image side by side, but then zoomed in a lot. So what is the best sharpness for your GoPro? Well, that's up to you. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. I think I prefer medium sharpness the most, and for 1080p footage I prefer the low sharpness.